Hey guys, welcome back to the Dustin Dean channel. I am Dustin Dean, aka Homestead Outlaw. Today my sister is getting rid of her chickens, and I have, well, I didn't offer. They said, do you want them? And I said, heck yeah, I want them. That's free food. I can't turn down free food. Do I look like a guy that's willing to turn down free food? No, I am not. So we're here. I brought the right-hand man, Wyatt, and he's the chicken wrangler. And if you want to see Wyatt in action, watch my video. Call CPS, help CPS, my children. The pig's loose. I forgot the title of the video. Something about a pig and CPS. I know them two go hand in hand. So I'll put that link at the end of the video. Is it the pig? The CPS is the pig in the? No, never mind. We're not getting into that thing. All right, let's go catch a chicken. How you gonna do this?
I have no idea.
This is the smallest chicken coop we've ever attempted to wrangle chickens in, isn't it?
Yeah.
So how you gonna wrangle chickens in this thing?
I don't know. I'm used to running space.
You need running space. Alright. So Wyatt, a tip is if you can grab them by the tail, it's the best. So when you guys are catching chickens, holy cow.
Yep.
Wyatt, come explain to us how you catch chickens. The best method. I was about to tell him before I was so interrupted. The best method of catching chickens
is by grabbing their tail feathers, and then once you do that, just grab their legs. Yeah. Sorry they don't fly away.
Yeah, a lot of people make a mistake and try to grab their legs first. But just grab their tail feathers. Yeah. And then once you've got the bird, then you can grab his legs.
Yeah.
So we'll see. Show us how you're handling it. You got one hand on the tail feathers, and we'll see. Where's the other hand?
Other hand's right there.
The other hand is grabbing the legs.
Grabbing the leg.
Alright, well, go wrangle another one. What's your job?
I'm gonna do the carrier to hold the door.
Alright. Holy cow, maybe you better help him.
Got it.
Got another one?
You can't even grab the tail feathers.
There's no tail feathers on this bird.
No.
Where's your tail feathers? Sometimes they molt. This one looks like it's picked off, maybe?
Yeah.
They're young birds.
They're what, like a year old?
Yeah, they're only like a year old. I think they got them last spring, so they'll be good healthy birds. Whoa, what kind of bird is that?
Cool.
Why? What kind of bird is that?
I don't know, but if you guys know what it is, leave a comment down in the comment section.
Two more.
Yep.
How many?
Two.
Two more?
Yep.
How many total was there?
Five.
Five?
Yeah.
Why is so good at this?
Okay.
Okay, go around to the side. 1, 2, 3.
I got an idea that'll make this better. I bet you can. I wonder if you can hurt them up in there.
Yeah.
And then if that ladder doubles as a door.
You know what?
That ladder doubles as like a door to shut them off.
Yeah, I think so.
So I think this picks up on this other side. Oh, of course it's frozen to the ground. Oh. Jackie will kill us. Okay. We need something to block him from running in there all the time. What are you doing?
So I'm gonna get in here.
Attempt to shut the door?
Yeah.
Yeah, that does.
Kinda.
We'll just sit there and catch them as they run
Yeah.
to you.
Okay.
Okay, why? Whoa! Whoa, you gotta... This bird is wiry.
Just had coffee.
You a coffee drinker? Oh, Mama Dean! What are you doing to that poor bird?
I caught it. That doesn't help.
That is a very vocal bird. Right. This look like a This look like a homesteader's trunk, battery, chicken wire, and a jug, and chickens. But the chicken wire isn't for the chickens; it's actually for the rabbits. All right, we got our treasure, and we're off to the homestead. Okay, there's our old chickens, and here's our new chickens. Release the chickens. A little bit bigger area for them to play in.
Oh, way bigger.
Oh, we gotta shut this. Remember how wiry they are? Oh, you know what we ought to do?
Oh,
We just gotta clip their wings.
okay.
That one knows how to fly really good, that black and white one. So hold on, time out. We gotta go clip their wings. So let's go get some scissors and reach in and grab me one, and I'll cut its wings off. Not its wings. I keep saying wings. I do not mean wings. I mean feathers. Follow the... It's like a little haircut. And they're healthy. They got really strong wing structure, so very healthy.
One of my favorites too.
What is this kind?
It's an Americana,
Americana.
or also known as an Easter egger.
Easter egger, because they hide them? What?
Because they lay green eggs. Sometimes blue.
Oh, so they lay different color of eggs?
Uh-huh.
I actually knew that. I'm just playing like dumb cop, whatever. No, it's like Columbo. You guys ever watch Columbo, where he's just like, I actually know all these questions. I'm just saying that so you guys can know too. Alright, throw them in. Oh, I can't fly. Around his foot a little bit. Maybe caught in there. So, what did you do? What did you do? Hold on, I got a sharp knife for this object.
Same.
Yeah? Knife it up. But you're holding the bird, you can't knife up. Leatherman. Alright, let's fix you up. You got the string wrapped around. Let's cut that there. One more string. There, see, the foot's fine. That probably didn't feel good. So, what that is the top of feed bags, the string you pull off. Probably could have just happened today. These animals aren't abused, so
No.
don't leave that in the comments. My sister takes care of the animals. Did I tell you guys? See these short feathers right here? See how there's different sets of feathers? This is a whole different feather right here. That's like a dotted line to follow. Remember, like in kindergarten, you trace the dotted lines? That's like the dotted line to trace. You just right above it, you just cut right above it. And the bird hat, that's probably The bird has two sections of long feathers right here. This one's its flight feathers, it helps them fly. These back ones is the warming feathers. You can cut the warming feathers off if you live in warm climates, but we live in a cold climate, so we like to leave the warming feathers on, so that way they tuck it up behind them and it keeps their tush warm. And it's very important to have a warm tush. It's the bird, I don't know what kind it is. Well, we got two of these birds now. I want to say something like hamburger. I swear I seen something that sounds like hamburger. I think it's that bird. Hamburger. It's like French. Hamburger. Alright.
Do you want some fries with that?
It's really loud.
What are you doing?
Got his foot? Got his foot? Alright. Here we go. Cows don't know it, but the fence is off. The battery's not hooked up. It's getting charged. That has nothing to do with this vlog. It's just we're waiting for Wyatt to bring back the chicken scratch, and so this is me bored.
Here he comes to save the day.
Hey, Wyatt back! Wondering what happened to you? Long ways over there, huh? He's out of breath.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up.
That's right, guys. We appreciate your support, and we appreciate the donations that we've been getting through our Patreon and our, what's the other one?
PayPal.
PayPal. We'll leave that in the description below. If you feel led to donate, specify what you'd like to donate to. Fighting DCFS, Homestead, or whatever, or paint for the shed. That one's for you, TJ. So just like he said, thank you for watching.